Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Ask Permission to download app on App Store. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So sometimes when you go to the App Store and try to download some of the applications, so for example I'll go for games and I'll start downloading some of the game right here. When you click on Get, sometimes the window pops up that will ask you to ask a permission to download this app from your parent or guardian. It basically means that your parents or some guy just made a family with your account, with your Apple account, and added you as a child. So to turn off this ask permission, he needs to open settings on his iPhone, click on his Apple account right here, where it's his name. Then wait until everything is downloaded, scroll down a little bit and see family right here. So click on the family, and as you can see, now you'll need to find your Apple account in this list in your family. So for example, this is the account where I want to turn off this ask permission to download option. I need to click on it and then go and click to purchases. But as you can see, it is not clickable because I didn't set up this permission for this account. But if you click on this account and if you want to turn off this ask permission, just simply go to purchases, and there will be an option to turn off this ask permission. And basically that is it. That is how you can turn off ask permission to download app on App Store. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.